checks the boxes. At the end of the day,
another car, bro.
what a trip, dude. But now when you see it coming together, the look's just gonna be crazy. This is what's crazy to me. The power of manifesting what you want in your life. When we got this shop, we were starting to design out the aesthetics of the building. We started printing these posters of cars that we wanted to work on. So you see here, you got the McLaren, you got the Bentley, you got the Maybach. That's a McLaren that we built. A Revolto. We printed these photos before we even touched these cars. We printed these photos before a car even came into the shop. On Saturday, I was sitting with the guys, we're talking, I was like, look, there's one car on the wall that we actually have not ever touched. Wow, dude. Do you have PPF for the carbon?
Yeah, it's okay.
Cool. What a trip, dude. Have fun.
I woke up in a new Bugatti. 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 I woke up in a
Boom, and just like that, Premium has officially gotten its first Bugatti into our building. We knew this day would come, we just didn't know when, but it's here now. Officially, we have implemented a Premium decal onto a Bugatti. It's not just one we found on the street. This is a very good client of ours. He worked his way up to Bugattis. He's had SVJs, he's had a Senna. Now he's got a Bugatti, and of course, the place he brought it to is Premium OC. We're gonna be wrapping this guy, doing Vor PPF on all the carbon fiber on the vehicle. It's gonna be an insane project. We're gonna show you guys the whole process of what it's like working on a Bugatti, and let's get right into it.
Or we run the, because that one's too optical. Yeah, so we'll just like, we run this piece, and then we run a bottom piece.
Yeah, and then do it separately.
Yeah, we'll just see where this falls. Yeah. Honestly.
Door jams?
Yeah, we're just looking at them.
And you said you guys do all services?
Our expertise is vinyl wrap PPF, but parts is pretty basic for us. You know, we end up removing all the parts off the car to do this stuff. This thing is sick. You're gonna love it. Yeah.
Yes.
Sick.
Yes.
Also do carbon fiber installs all year round. We have here a BMW M Performance carbon fiber spoiler for G82 M4 today. But this guy right here is gonna basically sit up across right here. What we're doing right now is we're templating what we're gonna go ahead and drill the holes onto the top of the trunk to go ahead and get that rear bottom mount. So Legendary Auto Builders supplied us with this spoiler today. Check out their website. If you guys have any questions as far as installation carbon fiber on your G82 or G80 or F80 or any type of BMW, we do that here. So give us a call, shoot us a message, shoot us a DM. Let us take on your BMW build.
Be too far off. I think that looks really good. Hey, that looks dope.
That was perfect.
Yeah. So
style tails. Look, I'm gonna turn on these tail lights for you as well.
woohoo! Nah.
That's the way to go.
The tail lights look good.
Yeah, the whole rear end's gonna look totally different.
Yeah, halfway like that, I think.
Yeah, that's what we're thinking.
Jordan, you got a minute?
Just hold this like loaded. Yeah, I'm gonna get the bolts in.
What the fuck kind of question is that? He said, hey bro, can you give me the client's phone number? I want to send him the video, bro.
That'll be a good one. That'll be a good one.
All right.
Like, oh yeah, I want to send her the video.
I want to send her the cinematics, bro. Yeah. this Bugatti right here is also right here. So we just got it detailed up. Next step is gonna be very minor disassembly. We're not gonna go too crazy with the disassembly, which we would like to, but it's also Bugatti, the owner being, you know, very particular about his vehicle. We don't wanna break anything. We don't wanna misalign anything. So we're gonna go ahead and do what we can to get the best install on this vehicle. It's also yellow, so we're going gloss black with it. So it's not gonna be an easy task, but we're gonna get it done right. I'm gonna show you guys the entire process of what it's like to wrap a Bugatti Chiron. I don't think any other shop has done a video like this, but we're doing it today, guys, just for you guys.
Turn off the lights, I no longer take no advice. I'm more calm when not being told. Lot of ice in my mind, me vice. I'm not known.
At the end of the day, that's another car, bro. Right, Johnny?
We were actually using too much.
Well, if that's your advice, I hope you win. Throw caution to wind. Stay up all night, at least till 10. But if we do, we sleeping in this mattress nights. My cash is ashes to ashes. Burn fast as passenger flights. Don't know no absence. It go 500 asking. Am I right? Got people praying that passion alone will last them. That's alright.
Bugatti.
First Bugatti was done. He's actually gonna bring it back. So when we were talking about the concept of the car, we wanted to go gloss black on the paint, but there's still some yellow accents. You know, the 26 on the grill, on the wing, there's a little bit of like yellow accents, and we were unsure if he was gonna keep that. After looking at it, customer wants to swap it out, so we're gonna go with probably, what did he say? He said he wanted to do blue. So all of the yellow he wants to match the carbon. So it'll be a black and blue Bugatti soon, so that thing will be back. But first Bugatti done. My perspective, very difficult car to work on. So we've taken apart everything, anything you can possibly imagine. We brought in the shop and just completely ripped them apart and put them back together. Revolto, SVJ, all types of McLarens, but the Bugatti, totally different. So as we were working on it, just to get the mirrors off was a pain. We spent like a whole day just to get one mirror off, and then the second mirror, whole day. Definitely a lot more challenging vehicle than a regular, I'll say, SVJ or Revolto. You say that lightly as a regular car, but you know, again, you know, it definitely poses some challenges. So if you're gonna have a Bugatti in your shop, or somebody's gonna be working on your Bugatti, make sure you know what they're doing. I'm not saying that we completely knew, but now we do. So as we went through the process, we learned, we took our time. The most of the time spent was just learning how to work on the car. So came out really good. And slowly we checked the boxes. The Bugatti was the last one. But what I can tell you is this is not the last Bugatti. We've already got a call for another one. So we're doing the premium treatment and we're getting our second Bugatti in the shop. So, you know, just putting it in our brain, knowing what we wanted, we stayed focused, we kept doing good work, and here we are. We got it done. So hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. I know we're getting back up on the YouTube grind. So you see the videos starting to come out. But super excited. I'm really enjoying this. So comment below. Let us know what you want to know about the Bugatti. If you want to know how to take it apart, so do we. We're trying to figure it out. We'll keep you guys updated. We'll see you in the next one.